Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Chelsea. On this channel I do things like DIYs for the home, take you shopping with me sometimes, do some hauls, that sort of stuff, mainly towards the home. So if that's your type of thing, then be sure to subscribe. I would love to have you here. If you have any questions at all, please do be sure to comment them down in the comments below. I'll try to reply to as many comments as I possibly can. You can also find me on Instagram, that sort of stuff. I don't know why I'm plugging myself so hard right now. I'm just a bit nervous. I haven't filmed a video in such a while and I can only apologize for that, but I'm back for the Christmas videos. I'm raring to go. I've been prepping so hard. I've been out there filming, which is why today I have this video for you. So this is one of my What's in Wednesday, where in the run up to Christmas on a Wednesday I will take you into a store and show you what's in there. Maybe a little bit trickier this year with lockdown. I have been pre-filming since the start of October for this, so I do have quite a lot of content to go forward, just in case anyone's wondering, you know, with lockdown and everything. So hopefully this is going to give you some inspiration to, you know, use for crafts, for even making a list to check what you checking it twice, just to check what you want to go into store for, so it's easier for you. I always find I refer to these videos every year anyway for other people's videos and my videos, so I know exactly what I want to get from the shop, and then I'm able to get it and beat all the queues, and I don't know, it's just a bit hectic, isn't it? So these videos are basically just allow you to shop and look around the store without actually having to go there. So today I'm focusing on the range. I absolutely love the range at Christmas time. It's so festive. They always have so many bits in, and it's like a winter wonderland at a really good price as well. It's a win-win, you know. I didn't actually buy too much stuff myself, so I will be meeting you back here after all of the footage in store with the few things that I did pick up because they are kind of cute. But yeah, I already have loads of stuff, so it's not a massive haul, so don't expect that. But yeah, I'm just gonna get straight on into what's in the range. So that is all of the footage that I have for what was in the range this Christmas. Hopefully you enjoyed having a little look around. Let me know what was your favourite piece that you've seen in there. Is there anything that has, you know, sparked a bit of inspiration for you, maybe even just to do crafts off of, to DIY yourself? I don't know. I love to watch shop with me videos like from America and stuff, and then take like craft inspiration from them. Let me know if you do that as well. Like, I'll see something and I think, yes, I'm gonna DIY that. Don't know what it is, just it makes sparks fly in my mind. So yeah, what I bought from the range myself was this snowman. This snowman here, I've called him Frosty Frank. I would go and pick him up to show you, but he is so heavy, so hopefully I'm going to overlay some footage here so you can see him in his full glory. His snowflakes light up, his little arms light up with little fairy lights on, and he is so cute. He was $22.99, which I thought was an absolute steal. He's all glittery, he's so sweet, and to be honest, they had them in there last year and I regretted not getting one, and then I seen it in there a few weeks ago and I was like, oh, I'm gonna need him. You know, it's just like Mr. Frosty from Christmas with the Cranks, Frosty the Snowman, when they put him out. The other thing that I purchased, I told you I really did not purchase a lot, was this Yeti window cling. I have to be completely honest, my mum actually purchased this for me. We went in there together, and yeah, my mum always used window clings, like I think she still does now, like in the porch door, on the windows, on the mirrors, that sort of stuff. Like, we have a whole load of them, or at least we did when I was a kid, and we would just get them out and start like sticking them everywhere. But yeah, I love this little Yeti. Thought it was adorable and thought I need that. I wasn't gonna buy it, then my mum bought it for me anyway, which was so nice. But yeah, there's this. I think it was about £2, something like that. It just says get Yeti for Christmas, and it's a bit glittery, and I just thought that Yeti was really adorable. So that is the end of today's video. I hope you have enjoyed it. I will be back with a DIY on Friday. It's already filmed, I just have to do the intro and stuff. So yeah, it's definitely coming on Friday. I definitely am back. I'm so sorry for the absence. I feel so guilty, but I just need to bite the bullet and just come back. Just need to post it. So yeah, hopefully you have enjoyed today's video. I will see you next Wednesday for another What's in Wednesday, and I will see you on Friday for another DIY. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you then. Bye.